Gala Games at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside, but we still remain stuck within a key area of resistance between the 0.0178 and the 0.02115. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the scenarios that can play out if by any chance we break out of this key area of resistance, and above all give you the Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.02367, I was observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where you can see that we have this 5-wave structure to the lower side in a move that gave us a low below the 0.01177. And having completed that 5-wave structure to the downside, I was expecting that Gala Games is going to give us a bit of a short-term bounce in the next coming days, and in that short-term bounce we can either get a 3-wave structure to the upside, alternatively we can get a 5-wave structure to the upper side. And for us to differentiate which of the two scenarios is playing out here on the Gala Games chart, I was able to come up with a key area of resistance that is going to differentiate between the two scenarios, and I came up with that key area of resistance by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of that wave 1 to the low of that wave 5, and on so doing the area of interest was between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.02112 and the 0.177, which is that red target area on the charts. And this is a key area of resistance where we can easily get rejected in case this bounce over here is an ABC corrective structure. So in case we get rejected over here, I will fully confirm that we got an ABC corrective structure, and in the next coming days we can easily get a bit of a short-term pullback that should find support within the golden pocket on the Fibonacci's. And to get the golden pocket, all we need to do is just connect the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the high of that is the wave C, and on so doing we get a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.01376 and the 0.01641, which is that blue target area. So in case we get rejected within this red target area over here, then expect a short-term pullback into this blue target area where we should find support, and then start a reversal within that area, bouncing back again, breaking above key areas of resistances in a move that can easily push back above the 0.025 in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that we can also break out of this red target area to the upper side, and if that plays out, then that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding, and this bounce over here is not an ABC corrective structure anymore, and we are most likely seeing a 5-wave structure, having that as the wave 1, a pullback in a wave 2, a bounce in the formation of that wave 3, this could be the pullback in the formation of that wave 4, before we finally top out in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side in the next coming days. So this red target area between the 0.02115 and the 0.0178 is what is going to differentiate which of the two scenarios is going to unfold here on the Gala Games chart. And I have given you the key areas of supports that you need to pay attention to in case of any pullbacks. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.